Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about top 10 most expensive companies in the world. So make sure to watch the full video. In the last year, the market capitalization of the world's most valuable companies increased by 11% to $35.16 trillion. Apple and Microsoft are once again at the top of the list of the world's most valuable companies, with Saudi Aramco coming in third, shaping our top runners. In this video, we'll look at the most valuable companies in the world by capitalization in 2023. We will also examine how the crisis has affected them, as well as potential scenarios for the remainder of the year. Most valuable companies, pre-context. The stock market value of the world's most valuable companies recovered early from the March 2020 collapse. So much so that, according to the PwC report, Global Top 100 Companies by Market Capitalization, the market capitalization of the world's 100 most valuable companies increased from $21.4 trillion to $31.7 trillion. Between that date and March 2021, a 48% increase in just 1 year. The market capitalization of the world's most valuable companies reached an all-time high of $35.16 trillion between March 2021 and March 2022. As we enter 2023, let's take a closer look at the world's 10 largest companies by market capitalization. The information below is from investing.com as of December 21, 2022. 1. Apple. Apple has reclaimed the top spot on the list of the world's most valuable companies. Apple began to take off in 1997, when Steve Jobs, one of its founders who had left the company a few years before, took over as CEO. He served in this capacity until August 24, 2011. What Jobs accomplished with Apple was to build a massive fan base around a brand that is instantly recognizable around the world and for which its devotees are willing to pay exorbitant prices. Soon after that date, in late August 2020, Apple implemented a 4-for-1 stock split, making each Apple share worth $500. It began trading at $120 after a 4-way split. The share price was $134 as of the 21st of December 2022, up from $134 in June 2021. 2. Microsoft. After some difficult years, particularly between 2007 and 2013, Microsoft is now the world's second most valuable company in terms of market capitalization. Bill Gates and Paul Allen founded Microsoft in 1975, and its primary business is the development of operating systems, software, and hardware. Microsoft is now involved in other technological areas such as artificial intelligence and video games. It is also present in social networks, such as Skype and LinkedIn. The chart also shows how well Microsoft has weathered the coronavirus, as it joined the wave of declines in mid-March 2020. But quickly recovered and reached its all-time high of $345 in November 2021. 3. Aramco. The Saudi monarchy owns Aramco, the world's largest oil company. This behemoth manages 1 out of every 9 barrels of crude oil produced in the world and earns more than $300 billion in revenue. In 2016, the oil company announced plans to list 5% of its shares on the stock exchange the following year in order to raise approximately $100 billion. It increased by 10% to 35 rials on its first crossing. It rose to 38 rials in the following days, but the first impact of the coronavirus crisis, in early March 2020, triggered volatility in Aramco's share price, which was exacerbated by the collapse in the price of oil futures maturities. It hit a low of 27 rials on March 16. It has gradually recovered since then. 4. Alphabet. Google. Since August 2015, Google, now known as Alphabet, has been one of Wall Street's biggest success stories. It began as a search engine and has grown into a global web empire as a result of significant business diversification. The uptrend in Google's stock began in August 2012, with a break above the $650 resistance zone, and reached a high of around $1,228 in February 2014, just days before Google decided to split its stock. As a result, the stock's price was reduced 20 times, making it more affordable. It is currently trading at around $88 as of December 28, 2022, following a sustained decline since November 20, 2021. If you want to practice some strategies with the stocks we've seen so far, you can do so in a virtual environment that is both safe and capitalized, using a demo account. 5. Amazon. Despite appearances, Amazon's history dates back to 1994, when Jeff Bezos founded the company, with the goal of becoming the world's largest retailer. In terms of online commerce, this is a nearly completed goal. Furthermore, Jeff Bezos' company has followed in the footsteps of technology behemoths like Apple and Microsoft by diversifying its business with its own brands like Amazon Music, Amazon Web Services, eBooks, Kindle, smart speakers, Echo, and so on. With Amazon Prime, it has recently joined the wave of streaming platforms. The correction is brief, and the price quickly returns to, if not exceeds, pre-pandemic levels. From July 2020 to April 2022, the price fluctuated between $3,760 its previous all-time high, and $3,013. Because of the high price, Amazon will conduct a 20-for-1 stock split in June 2022. 6. Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway, owned by the famous investor Warren Buffett, is the world's sixth most valuable company today, specializing in equity investments. It owns stakes in many of the world's most powerful corporations, including Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, Wells Fargo, and American Express. The chart shows how Berkshire Hathaway has been in an uptrend for more than a decade. In March 2020, it falls back when the markets collapse due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but soon rebounds more strongly. From then, at the end of March 2020, until the last week of March 2022, the price of Berkshire Hathaway accumulated a 93% appreciation, from the level of $160 to $358, the highest level ever. 7. United Health. United Health Group is the world's second largest healthcare company in terms of revenue. So it's no surprise that it's one of the top 10 most valuable companies. In times of high market volatility, such as 2022, healthcare is considered a defensive sector, because demand remains constant regardless of the economic situation. 8. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is one of the top 10 most valuable companies. This is another defensive company that can withstand crises because its health products will continue to be consumed regardless of what happens. It was founded in 1886, and its debt is rated AAA by rating agencies, indicating an extremely low risk of default. The price will remain between $160 and $178 between December 2020 and December 2022. 9. Tesla. Tesla was founded in 2003, but its popularity skyrocketed after Elon Musk became CEO in 2008. He had become a shareholder 4 years before. The electric vehicle manufacturer went public in 2010 at a price of $17 per share. A decade later, the price had risen to $2,300. As a result, the company decided to conduct a stock split in August 2020, dividing each share into 5 parts. As a result, each share began trading at $440. However, the company was ranked 7th with a value of nearly $1 trillion just 7 months ago. 10. Visa. When Bank of America introduced the Bank AmeriCard credit card in 1958, Visa was born. The 1980s and 1990s were critical years in the international expansion of the Visa brand, which benefited from the installation of ATMs in the busiest areas of the United States. Visa was listed on the New York Stock Exchange in March 2008 at a price of $43.50 per share. Visa's price chart shows a consistent upward trend until July 2021, when it reaches $252. The price has since retreated and entered a sideways channel between $195 and $215.50. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.